Some places are famous for their birds. Welcome to Peru, a country with over 1,800 incredible bird species to watch. From the Pacific coast to the towering Andes, through mystical cloud forests, deep into the Amazon rainforest. Get ready to discover dazzling hummingbirds, vibrant macaws, and the majestic Andean condor. Birds like you've never seen before. And more than 120 species found nowhere else on Earth. Discover our wild side. Peru, best destination for birdwatching.